Hello everyone, this is Trevor from the National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio. We've had quite a bit of interesting weather over the last few days and more to come through the weekend, so we thought it would be a good idea to recap a little over what has happened recently, what we can expect today and tonight, and then what's to come over the weekend. Then later on in the afternoon, we'll open up our social media avenues for questions by tweeting to the AskEWX hashtag on Twitter or posting on Facebook. But just a little bit about what we've experienced up until now. It's certainly been a wet spring so far for South Central Texas. As you can see here, we've had top 15 rainfall amounts for the 3-month period of March and April and through May so far. We still have 2 weeks yet to go, and so some of these rankings may change as more rain is in the forecast through the weekend. Also, a rather unfortunate but interesting weather event occurred yesterday in Lee County as the eastern areas of Giddings were hit by an EF0 tornado. This was a very odd occurrence. For one, the chance for tornadoes was very low. In fact, none of the storms that occurred yesterday produced any other reports of hail or even strong winds. However, multiple funnel cloud reports were received as the low-level environment was very moist and just enough rotation was present in the atmosphere to bring an updraft down to the surface. In this case, in Giddings, a particular funnel was able to reach the ground and become a tornado, possibly due to the fact that Lee County had received a few inches of rain earlier in the day, and the local area was very humid and moist. Maybe just enough so to lower the cloud bases so the funnel could reach down to the surface. On radar, only weak rotational signatures were observed, which made this particular tornado very difficult to detect. Regardless, the tornado resulted in minor damage to a hotel and some nearby buildings in eastern Giddings. The tornado was given an EF0 rating with max winds up to 80 miles per hour. Switching to the forecast moving forward, today we're looking for a chance for isolated severe storms able to produce hail and damaging winds, as well as locally heavy rainfall. The area of greatest risk is indicated in red from the Rio Grande Valley up to the northern I-35 corridor, including Austin. With saturated soils from all the rain we've received, flash flooding will continue to be a concern with the development of any heavy rainfall. And over the next 5 days, even more rain is yet to come. As you can see, South Central Texas is under the gun for another 2 to 4 inches of rain, with isolated amounts up to 6 inches possible. The area forecast to see the most is mainly west of I-35. The majority of this rain is expected Saturday afternoon and Sunday, unfortunately, so outdoor activities during the Memorial Day weekend may be in jeopardy. It will continue to be important to stay aware of the weather situation for the potential for flash flooding this weekend. So if you'd like to ask us about this or any other weather questions, feel free to ask us by tweeting on Twitter to AskEWX or on our Facebook page beginning around noon through this afternoon. We hope to see you then.